Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add custom code here in Showit. Okay, so first up, just go ahead and add in a new page or select the specific place where you wanted to add in your custom code. Okay, now once you have the page or section ready, you can now go ahead and go to the bottom. Here, hover your mouse onto add element, and in here you have embed code. Okay, so just click on it. You can go ahead and make it bigger if you want to, like so, and then just click on it or double click. Okay, and in here you can now go ahead and add in your custom code. Okay, now if you want to embed something, okay, it could be a form or whatever. Maybe let's go ahead over to Google Forms. Okay, I'm just going to use the t-shirt sign up form right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots, and as you can see we have embed HTML. I'm just going to click on it, or you'd go ahead and use embed iframe. Okay, right here, show it, paste, save. Don't forget to hit on save, and once done, as you can see here, it needs us to sign in. Well, it works. That's how you do it. That is how you add a custom code here in Showit. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.